Hello again, I'm Tina Bython and I'm trying to show you some programming in Python. So these lessons are for beginners. And this lesson will have a look at mathematical operations. So Python can do lots of calculations, and some operators are, as usual, addition, that's a plus sign, subtraction, minus sign, multiplication, that's the star sign, asterisk, and division is the division sign. Yeah, so we'll have an example. A plus 5 minus 1, and the name of the variable is result. So now I'll do print result, and I'll run the program, and it says 12. So 8 plus 5, 13 minus 1 equals 12. To show this faster, I'll just go here to the interactive mode. We could do 8 plus 5 times 2 minus 1. Now here we have the order of operations. So as on a calculator, 5 times 2 will be calculated before subtracting 1 and before adding to 8. So this is then going to be 8 plus 10 minus 1. 8 plus 10, 18 minus 1 should be 17. Okay, and we can do another one. Here also priority rules is doing division before addition. So 8 divided by 2, 4, plus 10, 14, minus 1, 13. Okay, so the 8 divided by 2 was then interpreted as a float number, and we get the answer 13.0. And let's do another one. If we want to force the addition before the multiplication, like if we compare to this one up here, we need to put brackets like in ordinary maths. So now we're going to have 8 plus 5, 13 times 2, 26 minus 1, 25. Same thing here, 13 divided by 2 is then 6.5 minus 1, 5.5. And if we want to use variables, we need to use the multiplication sign. So nothing short. We can't do 4a. We have to do 4 times a. So we could have here x equals 15, and then we could have product so this should then be x times 4. X is 15, so 50 times 4 equals 60, and we need to print this in order to check that it works. 60. Okay. And if we want to do to the power, then we use 2 asterisks if we want to do to the power. So we can do that over here. We could do 2 to the power 4. 2 to the power 4, that is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, 2, 4, 8, 16. All right, and we can do another one. Here the order of operations says that the power should be calculated before division. So that means we would have 16 divided by 2, which is 8. So 5 minus 8 should be -3. Suppose that we want to do 5 minus 2 before, then we need to put that in brackets. Then we're going to have 5 minus 2, 3 to the power 4. 3, 9, 27, 81 divided by 2, 40.5 then. Okay. And there's another one. So the percentage could in some cases be percentage, but if we put it like between two numbers, it's going to divide one number by the other and give the remainder. So you can do that over here. Let's have 9. So this means then divide 9 by 2 and give the remainder. So we can fit 2 into 9 4 times, that's 8. So the remainder should be 1, because 9 remainder 2 is then 2 times 4 plus 1. So we should have 1 here. 25, remainder 7. So 27 divided by 7. Well, we can fit 7 into 25 3 times, that's 21. So this would equal 21 plus 4. So the remainder is 4. Okay. Now we'll have an example. Okay, so write a program that asks for the price and asks for the percentage discount, and then calculates and displays the discount and the discount price. So we can write a comment as well. So why don't we do a welcome phrase to start with? Welcome to the discount calculator. And then we want to have an input for the original price. We can call that price or original price, whichever you prefer. And I hope you're following doing this with me in order to learn. So price. Now we're going to have an input, and the price might be a float number. So let's have float. And then here input. And then again enter the price or the full price or the original price. And then we'll have the discount. I think we'll write discount percentage here. I suppose that could be a float number as well. So now we have the price and the discount percentage. Oh, maybe we should write comments. Let's put some comments. Welcome phrase. And here ask for. And here and now we'll calculate the discount. So we can have discount. So the discount is going to be the discount percentage. If that one is given as a percentage, we'll just divide it by 100 and multiply it by the price, right? So discount percentage divided by 100 and then multiplied by price. And now we can print the discount, or we can calculate the discount price. So we can do both here first. So here then to find the discount price, we're going to do the original price minus the discount. So and now we'll print. We have been asked to display the discount and the discount price. So we'll have a comment. So print. Comma, and then discount. And why don't we do a full stop to end the sentence? Same thing here. Right, so now let's try this one. I'll close this one to have a fresh one. Save and run. Welcome to the discount calculator. Enter the price. So I'm going to have a simple price because then we can check the calculation. So I will not put 543, I'll put 100. Enter the percentage discount. We could have 20. Okay, so the discount is 20 because it's 20% of 100, and the discount price is 80 because then we subtract 100 minus 20. So let's try another one. Go here, and then I'll press run again. 250 percentage discount might be 12. Okay, this looks good, I think. I'll give you another exercise. So here's an exercise for you. Write a program that asks for the number of tickets and the price per ticket and then displays the total price. So you try doing that one. And I also want to mention that when dividing numbers, sometimes you get lots of decimals, and then you need to round the number. But we'll do that in another lesson called formatting. But still, I'll write this exercise for you. So write a program that asks for 3 test results and then calculates and displays the average score. So then in this case you might get lots of decimals. So I'll just put here to round. All right, so hope this was helpful, and try doing some exercises and think of some other exercises for yourself as well. Thank you and bye.